Hi guys, welcome to another video on this channel, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys a website where you can use to boost your social media, like followers, likes, comments, like post interaction and many more. And this website is Iboostsocialmedia.com. So all you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search Iboostsocialmedia.com. As it's written on your screen, that's how you're going to search it. Any of your social media, Google Chrome, Safari, any of your browsing websites. Once you search Iboostsocialmedia.com, you click on go. I have an account already, right? That's why it's appearing like this. I have an account with Iboostsocialmedia.com already. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up on Iboostsocialmedia.com. So I'm going to be logging out here, and then I'll show you guys how to sign up for Iboostsocialmedia.com. So if you want to create an account with Iboostsocialmedia.com, all you have to do is click on the sign up button right here. It will bring you to this page. All you have to do is fill in all the details you are seeing here correctly. And if you want to create a username, make sure you create a username. Don't put a space, or else it's not going to work. Once you have filled in all these details you are seeing here correctly, your WhatsApp number, you create a password you can remember. Note, create a password you can remember. You click on I'm not a robot, and then you go on and click on the membership agreement, then you click on sign up. It is that simple and easy to create an account with Iboostsocialmedia.com. So guys, on our next videos, I'm going to be showing you a lot more on how to use this website. I'm going to be showing you guys a lot more on how to use this website. But for now, this is how to sign up on Iboostsocialmedia.com. If you want me to create any video about how to use this website or how to post any social media, just drop a comment under the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share, and drop a comment. Thank you, and God bless you.